Good morning, everyone. Hope you people are healthy and safe at your home. Today, we are going to cover this chapter, that means complete this chapter, enlivening a presentation, in which the first topic that I will take today is inserting a action button in the slides. Now, in PowerPoint, we have the facility to link any web page, email address, file, slide in the same presentation and a slide in different presentation. This can be done using hyperlinks or action buttons. Now, what is action button? Action buttons are the ready-made buttons that are used to create hyperlink. We can add any button shape in our presentation to link to any other slide, play sound, graphics, or perform any other action. We can assign any action to any clip art also, pictures also, text, graphics also, and whenever one clicks over these action buttons, whenever any mouse pointer move over that action button, some kind of selected action occur. Now in this I have used a term called as hyperlink. So what is a hyperlink? It is a process of linking slides, files, programs or other objects. You have seen this in the websites. Whenever you are moving from one web page to another, you people are clicking a palm shape hand to move from one slide to other slide. That palm shape hand represent that the word that you have used wherever you are moving your pointer, that act as a hyperlink. Now there are 12 types of action buttons in PowerPoint which are meant for different purposes like back or previous, forward, and these action buttons always have a specific purpose. You can use them in your slides according to your requirement. To insert the action button, first of all, open any existing presentation, select the Insert tab and click on the Shape drop-down arrow in the illustration group. Now once you did it, you will see that list of action buttons is available to you. Select any of the action button from the desired action buttons. Suppose I select the one, so this is the symbol for moving backward. So this is how you can use or you can insert any action button. Once you insert any action button to your presentation, you will find that a dialog box appears, and in the dialog box there are two options, either mouse click or mouse over. Mouse click or mouse over means, like mouse click tab means that the action button will be performed its action only when it is clicked, and selecting mouse over tab will make the action button perform its action when you move the mouse over it. In the action on click action, if you select none, it represents that you don't want to create, if you don't want to create any hyperlink, you will choose the option called as none. And if you click on hyperlink to, then you can link the desired slide or file with your hyperlink. Even you can play the sound by, like suppose you have inserted a hyperlink and you want to play any sound, then in that case if you want to play a sound when the action button is clicked, you have to select the option called as play sound and choose the desired sound from the design files. Now if you press F5 to view the slideshow, that means when you press F5 to view the slideshow, then you have to click on the action button in the slideshow to observe the desired actions.